do understand what probation means.
Yes, sir.
It means that if you continue down that same path, you'll be locked up and calling some cellmate daddy within a month.
Yes, sir.
If I had it my way, we wouldn't waste our time. You'd be inside already.
Mr. Gray has made great progress. His share on willfulness was one of the most powerful things I've ever heard. I believe in this man.
Let's hope you don't live to regret that faith.
God works in mysterious ways.
In this case, seems God is downright perverse. But I'll leave the salvation to you gentlemen. You stay out of trouble.
Yes, Daddy.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Remember, it's a disease.
I know, Chad, I know. It's a disease. Meetings every day. Call you if I feel the need to use. Pray. I pray. In fact, I'm praying right now.
You're very willful.
Was very willful, Chad. Was very willful. I've changed. And you know what, Chad? You changed me.
Hey, having fun over there?
Absolutely. And if I get tested, I have a bag of 12-year-old piss right here. I am.
Real nice.
Oh, fuck you, Johnny. You don't judge me.
Whoa, calm down, man. Have another drink or something, but calm the fuck down.
Hey, watch your mouth. Tell him.
Yeah? Really?
Whoa, guys, Billy, Johnny, we got a couple of fucking deadbeats outside.
What fucking deadbeat?
The hell are they doing here?
What the
Fuck 'em
fuck
up.
do they want? I'm out of rehab 3 minutes and they think they can crash my party?
No problem, old man.
Changed.
Screw you, you deadbeat prick. Aching for a fucking drink here.
Amiguito.
Come on, just pour a Willie Wetback.
Boys?
Wet pussy and dry tequila.
Salud.